Today we received a BMW 5 Series F10 camera module. The reverse camera doesn't work. Let's open it and check it out. You can see here it has a chip marked A5. A common problem with those chips marked A5 is poor soldering, so we need to reball it. Now let's do it. Remove the chip with a hot air gun. Then clean up the board where the CPU was. Also remove the tin from the chip. Now let's reball it. Put new pads on the CPU. Hit them so they stick to the CPU. Now let's put the processor on the PCB. Hold the hot air gun to heat them up. CPU soldered and repair is finished.